Hi and thanks for watching this specially produced installation guide video for the Samsung Windows Mobile SDK. To install and use the SDK, please ensure your machine meets the minimum system requirements. Please refer to the installation guide for details. At first, we will check out how to install the Samsung Windows Mobile SDK and how to use the APIs in C++. We will cover some issues to be aware of, then we will go ahead and test our sample application using Samsung APIs on a Windows mobile device. To download the current version of the Samsung Windows Mobile SDK, please visit the Samsung Mobile Innovator website at innovator.samsungmobile.com. Sign in with your username and password. Then select Windows Mobile from the main Samsung Mobile Innovator page. Then click on Tools and SDK, which will bring up the most recent SDK on the main page. Execute the installer.msi file, which will download the necessary installation files. Choose Execute. Choose Execute. Agree to software license. Then, choose Next. Here you can choose where to install the SDK. Choose Next. To confirm the installation completed successfully, simply navigate to the specified installation folder. Once you have chosen installation folder, you can see folders and files about documentation, include file, library, Redist and samples. Let's move on to the next topic. To start programming using Microsoft Visual Studio, click File, choose New, then Project. As your project type, choose Visual C++, then Smart Device, allowing you to choose a MFC Smart Device application. Rename your project, then click OK. This will take you to the application wizard. Click Next to select the platform SDKs to be added to the current project. We're using Windows Mobile 6 Professional SDK. Once we have chosen our application type, we can proceed to the user interface features and generated classes sections. For this demonstration, we will retain the default settings. Returning to the project window, locate the source file you wish to edit and add a sample line of code. Once complete, locate the dialog resource field. Make a button and add a click event handler. Defining the code in the onBN-clicked button 1 method. Once this is complete, you can build your project. If at this stage you receive the error message, "Cannot open SMI accelerometer header file," ensure you have assigned the Samsung Windows Mobile SDK's include file path and library file path, according to your installation settings. Once updated, you can then build your project again. At this stage you may experience library link error message. To resolve this issue, you must link your Samsung Windows Mobile SDK's library to the project. To do so, right-click on the project tree, and choose Properties, then Linker. In Input, select Additional Dependencies, and paste in the Samsung Mobile SDK 2.lib file and from the library file of your Samsung Windows Mobile SDK directory. Once complete, you should be able to build your project with no errors. Let's move on to the next topic. To test your project on a device, navigate to the Samsung Windows Mobile SDK installation folder, locate the SDK Redist CAB file, and copy and paste this to the temporary folder on your Windows Mobile device. Once complete, you can execute and install the Redist CAB file on your device using the My Mobile software. To run the Chapter 2 sample application on your device, simply navigate to the How to Use API project folder. Then, copy and paste the How to Use API.exe file to the temporary folder on your Windows Mobile device. On the device, locate the How to Use API.exe and execute. Once running successfully, you will see the button we made earlier, which will display the text entered when defining the on-clicked button one method. If you want more information about API, please refer to the programming guide and API specification. Thanks for watching this to the end.